Hi everyone. So today we'll give you a walkthrough of Sovereign. Sovereign is an information platform focused on small cap companies and micro cap companies. One thing which you should understand is that investing is always done using information. As an example, if a 100 crore revenue company gets a 1,000 crore order, now the revenue of the company will increase because it got a very large order, and therefore the profits will increase, and hence there's a very high probability that the stock price will increase as well. Sovereign is a platform which provides such qualitative data about orders, acquisitions, joint ventures, capacity expansion, fundraising, etc. to the consumers. Now, the first thing that you should do in Sovereign is that you must watch the two videos in Sovereign Education. So we have module 1 and module 2. Module 1 is the basic module and module 2 is advanced module. We suggest that you should watch both the modules and learn investing, and both the modules are present in Hindi as well as English, and you can choose the language of your choice. Once you do this, you will understand the power of information and how you can do information driven investing. Our next product is Sovereign Times. Sovereign Times comes on our app also, on your email also, and even on WhatsApp it is sent. And you have two views for Sovereign Times: the PDF view, which you will get on your email, and the normal view, which you can see here. In Sovereign Times, we cover information which we think is critical. For example, you can see that this company got a fairly large order on April 30th. Similarly, the next company gave excellent results for the last quarter. The next company got another large order worth 17 crores, right? So you can see that all this information is actually high quality order information, and we have multiple other kinds of information as well. Now, what you need to understand is the impact of this information and try and figure out whether the profits of the company will increase in the future or not. If you expect the profits of a company to increase in the future and you think the valuations are reasonable, then it is typically a good investment. However, there is no certainty that the profits of the company will increase in the future because there is an execution risk always. So Sovereign Times is about 5 most important pieces of information which we find in the day, right? Our next product is Sovereign Prime. In Sovereign Prime, there are two parts. One is the in-depth Prime article where we cover select companies and write in-depth articles about them, and we also meet promoters. We do promoter interviews and publish what the promoters say about their company. So you can see there are almost 45-50 in-depth articles which have been written. You can study these articles and evaluate whether the company on which the article is written, do you like the company, do you like the data or not, right? And you can read everything about the company which is available in the space. Our endeavor is to write on companies which have secular profit uptrends. So basically, historically, they have increased their profits, and that is why we write prime articles on them. Same with promoter interviews. Our endeavor is to have promoter interviews with companies which have secular profit uptrends. So this is Sovereign Prime. The next part of our platform is Sovereign Discovery, where you can see different qualitative screeners. For example, if you want to understand which company posted excellent results in December 23, you can click here. Which companies have posted excellent results in March 24, you can click here. Which companies have gotten large orders, you can click here. So all kinds of data you can actually find easily here in the platform at the click of a button. You can just click on the company name, you can just click here, click on the read button, and then you can read everything about the company like you can see here, right? Our next section is the IPO section. In the IPO section, we write on every IPO. We provide again important data here so that you can see whether the IPO looks interesting to you or not. Typically, high sales growth IPOs are the ones which have a lot of investor interest. Low sales growth IPOs may or may not have much investor interest. You can click here, read what the IPO is all about. And lastly, we have a knowledge section which is sort of our blog. It's a free blog. You can read every article in the knowledge section and see what our blog is all about, right? So that's a free blog which we have called Sovereign Knowledge. And there are separate categories in Sovereign Knowledge as well. Lastly, we have something called Self-Help. This is a fairly advanced tool which a good investor can use. Now for that, to use this tool, right, you must learn investing. So again, you must watch the first video which is there in Sovereign Education and learn investing. You should read Sovereign Times every day and grasp the 5 most important events of the day. You should read all prime articles Sovereign has written. You should explore all the qualitative screeners which Sovereign Discovery has. And you should check out all the upcoming IPOs which are present in the IPO section. So that's all about Sovereign. I hope this gives you a broad idea about how to use Sovereign. Thank you so much.